is after our 9-inch snow. Hopefully the last snowstorm of the year for Wisconsin. And good thing we have big trucks, because she's deep. But anyway, I'll show you around. It's sticking to the trees pretty good. I got maybe about an inch or so before she's dragging on the truck. And let's go get a tape measure and we'll see what how deep it is. I picked this spot because I figured it's right here where the wind shouldn't have affected it much. And there's what we got. And it's still coming down. Another beautiful day in Wisconsin. This is why we own a Ram. Only Rams are allowed to come out and play. I don't see many vehicles out here driving around. These are my tracks coming in and coming out. So that was a joke, by the way. I'm not a very humorous guy, but there's somebody coming. So, oh, that's just the wind. Wow.